Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now today's episode, we're going to be talking about Disney stock. Somebody wanted me to do a Disney stock review, so that's what we're doing. We're going to look at the fundamentals, the charts, everything that you guys need to, understand Disney stock. So I hope you guys enjoy it overall. I hope you guys learned something, and if you guys do, make sure you guys smash the like button. You guys have no idea how much it's appreciated by me. I can't thank you guys enough for all the support that you give me. So now, before we jump into the episode, make sure you guys check out my blog. That will be down below for you guys, moneywithcarter.com, talking about investing, money management, trading, stuff you guys would love. So now, roll the intro, let's go. Bam! So now, just the other day, Disney did release their second quarter earnings, and they missed it by 58%. The reason why they missed it is because they can't open their parks. They can't open their parks. They can't open their cruises. And that's where Disney makes a lot of money. I believe it's somewhere around 36% of all Disney's profits is at parks and cruise lines, which they can't open them. The only way that Disney's making money right now is by buying movies, Disney Plus, Hulu, and all their other sources of income, because Disney is the media powerhouse. They do own ESPN, they do own 50% of A&E, 50% of Lifetime. They do own a lot of other things. So Disney does have, other sources of income, and that's where they're making a lot of money right now during this pandemic. Also, Disney just cut their dividend, and that's very expected with all of these stocks. A lot of stocks right now during this, time of uncertainty, one of the biggest things and one of the biggest issues with stocks is how much cash they have on hand. And right now Disney, the last I heard, Disney did have around $200 billion in cash, which for a lot of companies that seems like a lot of money, but for a company that spends a lot of money, whether that's on ads, whether that's at parks, whether that's at their cruise lines, whether it's updating their Disney Plus service, that's not a lot of money. They burn through it. Also, if they continue to pay their dividends, that's just wasting money away. Also, another thing that seems very promising with Disney is their Disney Plus service. When a lot of people think of streaming services like subscriptions, they think of Netflix, Hulu, and Hulu Disney owns, Netflix they don't own, but they're the largest competitor with Netflix. Disney has over 50 million subscribers, and that turns out to be $1.6 billion per year, which is nuts. So with this whole volatility in the market, Disney stock has fallen roughly 29% compared to the S&P 500, which has only fallen around 19% depending on the day. And the reason why I think Disney stock has fallen so much, yes, they can't open their parks, they can't, open their cruise lines, but think of all the movies that Disney's, pushing back. They're pushing back a Marvel movie. And I think that's Black Widow. They're pushing back Mulan. They're pushing back almost every movie. Not to mention, they can't film anything, so right now Disney's kind of holding their grasp on the Disney Plus streaming service. Also, I do think it was pretty cool that Disney did put Onward on it, and that was supposed to be in theaters, and they kind of did that as a little bonus to all the Disney Plus subscribers, which made a lot of people get Disney Plus. It's only $6 a month. So I do think that Disney has a lot of promise with all of their resorts. Once, this whole thing is over with, Disney's gonna re-announce all of their, parks, all of their cruises, and the stock's gonna come back with a roar. So now the next thing we wanna do is we wanna look at the chart, see where support, see where resistance, see if it's a good buy right now, where the perfect price point is to buy. So now let's go into that. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we do have ticker symbol DIS, that is the Walt Disney Company's ticker. So now looking at the stock, we've had some crazy uptrends. It did find some resistance here at $120 and some support here on this yellow line. This yellow line is what you call a 200 moving average line. Really what that is it takes the closing prices of the past 200 days and it merges and forms this line. When the stock's above it like it is right in here, that acts as support, and that's pretty much when people have a tendency to actually buy it. So as you guys see, it's hit it here, 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 almost here, but right when it broke through this, there's a beautiful short opportunity right there. But overall, I do feel like right now Disney is still undervalued. Look at it at the RSI. The RSI is the relative strength index. This determines if the stock is, undervalued or overbought. Right now it's trading at a 36, which is still undervalued. I think getting the stock under $100 is almost a bargain. The reason why I say that is because once Disney reannounces all of their parks, all of their cruise lines, the stock's going to come back with a roar. People are going to go back to those parks. People are going to go on cruises and everything like that. Yeah, do I think it's going to take time? Of course. I think this whole thing is going to take another year before people start feeling comfortable going on vacations, before they feel comfortable going to resorts, going on cruise lines. But you have to look at how much crap Disney owns. Disney owns Marvel. And what was one of the largest movies last year? Endgame. Disney purchased Marvel for around $4 billion, and that movie was the highest grossing movie of all time. So, and that almost paid for the entire purchase price of Marvel, which is nuts. So right now, a stock that's $100, and this was the trend of when Disney got their when Disney started to do their Disney Plus. I think that this stock could easily go back, and I think it's still a fair buy, would be $130. But since it's under $100, I think this is a bargain, and I definitely rate this a buy. That is my personal opinion, so understand that. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We do videos almost every single day, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys learned something. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Stay safe, guys. See you tomorrow.